are several farm animals here. Let's take a closer look at what animals they are. The first is cow. Cows really like to eat grass because they are herbivorous animals. Cows are docile animals that almost never hurt humans, and most of them live on farms. This cow was so dirty that lots of FLIs were forming around it. The thing you have to do when your body is dirty after playing outside is to clean it by taking a shower. Besides meat, cows also give us very tasty milk. If you want to grow big and have strong bones, drink more milk. Apart from that, cow's milk is also very good for your brain development. Improves your body's immune system to keep it healthy and helps your digestive health. How many bottles of milk do you drink every day? The second is sheep. Just like cows, sheep are herbivorous animals. They like to eat plants. Because the fur is thick, smooth and white, there will be a lot of dirt, insects and other objects that will stick to the sheep's body. So it must be cleaned frequently. Cleaning sheep is not only for health, but also to maintain the quality of the sheep's wool. Sheep are also raised for their meat and fur. Thank the sheep for giving us blankets made of wool so that we don't get cold when we sleep. The third is chicken, more specifically a hen. Hens kept on farms have many variations in color and size. Chickens are omnivorous animals. They can eat anything, such as seeds, plants, insects, worms, and sometimes human food such as food scraps. Because of the many types of food they can eat, keeping chickens is very easy to do. It looks like this hen is going to lay eggs. The first hen is orange. yellow. The third hen is also orange. The fourth hen is also yellow. Each hen only lays one egg, so we have 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth farm animal is fish. When we want to keep fish, we must have a pond that is clean from rubbish. Make sure the pond is filled with clean water. Decorate the pond with stones and plants to make it look beautiful. Then fill the pond with fish. Fish are also omnivorous animals. They eat mosquito larvae, water fleas, artemia, and sometimes cucumbers, carrots, and leaves that have been mashed first. Let's count how many fish there are in the pond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fish in total. The fifth farm animal is bees. The main food of bees is flower nectar. Water the plants so the flowers bloom. Water the flowers so they grow bigger. Here there are red and yellow flowers. The flowers started to bloom. The bad wasps came to disturb the bees. Chase them away by fogging. The bees managed to collect food and take it to the hive. Bees Bees are called heroes for human and natural health because bees have a number of benefits through being developed and processed into honey and other products that have medicinal properties, and the role of bees as pollination for food supplies and plant regeneration. The honey that we get in the market has been processed through many stages so that we can safely consume it. The sixth farm animal is ducks. Ducks are the most widely kept aquatic birds. Just like chickens, ducks are often used for their meat and eggs. Ducks are also omnivorous animals. The food is corn, sorghum, and worms. Ducks really like being in the water. They will spend up to a day in the water. They even play in the mud, which makes their bodies dirty. So when you keep ducks, clean them often. Look, these ducks want to lay eggs soon. Unlike chicken eggs, which are white or cream, duck eggs are light blue or cyan. The eggs began to hatch, and a baby duck emerged. Duck eggs are rarely consumed directly, only at certain times. So most farms let the duck eggs hatch and sell the baby ducks to keep them. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.